Good afternoon guys. Today is 16th of July and we are arriving. Pero kakain kami sa labas kasi birthday ni babae. And prepare na tayo. This is our outfit. Yan. Dinim lahat. Yung lipstick ko nasubrahan I think. So dapat 5 daon na kami pero wala pa rin na late kami. So yeah. Tara na, Tara. So, guys, we are leaving na kasi late na kami. Dapat 5 o'clock doon na kami. Pero now, it's 5 o'clock na. Nandito pa kami. Natulog ako. And yung hugasan, hindi pa natapos. Yeah, come. Denim, all denim. Yeah, my God. Dami kong ayusin. Ano? Yeah.
You remember I had 40 euros here?
Yeah.
I forgot it was in my bag. I haven't used
Bag?
it. Sa bag na So I didn't buy the bag.
No? Okay. So, yeah. Late na. Can you hold?
Hi guys, I'm the birthday girl. Turned 14 today. And I don't feel anything new. I haven't eaten anything today except 3 blueberries. That was it. So I didn't eat that much. So yeah. I hate my bangs. Look at my fit.
Oh my God, 20 minutes from here.
Wait, didn't we say 5?
Yeah, we are late. 20 minutes late.
Is that okay?
I don't know.
But why are we late?
Kasi natulog ko.
Oh.
Try ko ang si Ben.
Sige ba, pagtunig-tunig to gun.
Hindi ko alam. Sinabihan ko na siya. Bor du mos?
Ja, her nu, mos.
Ja, gør du bare, vi har lige kvar.
Nå. Hvorfor først nu, mos?
Det er fordi, at jeg sov, altså det kom alarm, jeg ville gå, så slukker jeg, så jeg siger, okay, jeg skal bare 1 minut. Nej, så det gik galt. Men du skal...
Jamen, jeg er på vej hen til restauranten nu.
Okay, du siger bare Rinas navn, så det kommer.
Ja, okay.
Ja.
Hej.
Close now.
Yeah. Hi guys, we just arrived. Now we're walking to the cafe.
Hotel? To the hotel?
Cafe. We're in Borde. And we're like 25 minutes late, which is kinda bad, but I don't think it will do anything. I'm so excited to eat because I haven't really eaten anything today, so yeah, but I can still survive for an hour. Alright, we're almost here. We are here. Yay. There's a flag. Hi.
Til lykke.
I saw Saton.
I center.
Oh my God. Okay, ano ito?
Very good.
This is the menu. It's like a cutting board. Oh wait, it's supposed to be the other way. And then here, gonna take nachos McCooling. And then nachos with chicken. Well, what else? It's already expensive. I don't.
It's not just only for you, you know that.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get something else. Bagel. I think I'm gonna take. Wait. Oh, here. Gonna take the Pepsi Max. So I'm gonna take nachos with chicken, with guacamole and salsa, and then I don't know.
Play your space.
Den første gang jeg var her, så fik jeg nachos med kylling.
No.
Og så fik han burger. Gusto ko burger.
It's not for one person.
Yeah.
Nachos.
But it is a lot, but yeah.
As a nachos, it's not a meal. It's probably some snacks.
But it's not for one person.
Yeah, it's not really. Bukan a big meal, you know.
Yeah, I know. It's like appetizer.
Pero baga ka gumat bro sa sushi. Momo.
Ja, ved du hvad, det bestiller I bare. Jeg slår det her på bordet. Det er bare i orden.
Hvad med vand?
Har du smagt den?
Må jeg også få et glas vand? Det kommer helt automatisk. Mens vi Hej, jeg har bestilt til Anker. Ja, ved du hvad, de er lige ved at... Det er færdigt. Ja, det er simpelthen...
More on.
Mama.
Huh? More on banana.
Det er fedt her. Ja,
No.
det er bare i orden.
I want to taste.
Dapat.
Men jeg har også her en kur. Du har en der i... Ja.
Banana. Ano rin hai?
Banana avocado.
Kami.
Ano, elderly. Ito yung yung Bardi Municipality, guys. Yan. Nung nag-aaral kami, dito kami sa tour dyan. Umikot kami dito, nag-tour. Yan. Oh, yan yung parang park nila to dito. Yan na, church. Ako. Oh, namin ani hada na ilan ni ami kang pero man taong bukod han ang gindaga sa ano sa Paris. Bukod han ang gindaga, ha? Kasi pitit size.
Yeah, that's yours.
Yeah. Kasi ako yung tipong as long as na carry ko magsusuot ako ng modern. And we're home na, guys. Kakarating lang. Nauna si Mr. kasi dalawa yung car namin. Galing kasi siya sa work niya. Nagdiretso na siya to. Check ko lang kung ano, may extra na ano. Okay, kasi maglaba ako. Check ko lang kung may extra na sampayan. Kasi maglaba nga ako. Marami kaming labahan. So, unti-untiin ko. Pero mag-walk yata kami kasi busog na busog. So, mag-walk muna kami before. Ay, maglaba muna ako pala. Tapos, habang nakasalang mag-walk kami. Yes. Oh! Yung salamin ko. And, ito nga pala guys, yung ginawa akong cake sa anak kong babae kasi birthday niya. Yung friend ko kasi, pinapagawa ko ng cake. Sabi niya, oo. Tapos, nung tinanong ko siya nung Sunday, nakauwi na kami from Estonia. Kamusta yung cake? Sabi niya, wala daw siya. Nasa Copenhagen. So, ito siya guys, yung cake na ginawa ko. Yan. So, DIY na lang. Ano lang siya, chiffon cake. So, kainin namin after walking kasi busog. Inumin ko pala ito mamaya para makatulog ako ng maayos. I hope makatulog pa ako ng maayos nito kasi matulog ako. And bukas, it's a long day. Work. May ano pa natira. French fries. And then, mag-edit ako ng video later. Yung machine kailangan din i-empty. Ang dami kong gagawin niya. Nag-walk na kami, guys. Nag-walk lang kami sa hindi sa forest kasi maraming snail doon. Hindi naman kami sasama kung doon. So, yun sila sa likod. Ang cute yung flowers. Diba? Det är flower den hemmas. Ja. Vill du visst vi har den här så jag har alltid blomster in i huset. Ay. Naglabala ako na silk na damit ko. Yung bagong binili ko sa Zara sa Helsinki. Estonia. Hindi ko nilagay sa washing machine. And ano na lang yung empty yung machine ng mga plate. And yeah, may ipo-fold kaming clothes ni Ina. And maghahang ako ng damit kasi nga basa pa yun. Kasi na hand wash ko siya. So that's it. Oh, Solinski na. Tayo Solinski na. May araw pa guys Anong oras na? Mag-8 o'clock na ata ng gabi. Is it 8 o'clock now? Yeah, 8 o'clock. Ang ingay talaga ng dalawang yan pag magkasama, maglakad kami. Wala kami peace of mind. Maybe it's the same way as before. The cake time.
But where's the cake?
Yeah, where's the cake?
Finally,
Happy
here.
birthday,
It's been a
girl.
minute.
Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you, girl.
See?
Are you
We got
recording?
quality.
Are you recording?
Stood on there soon.
Okay.
And
So
this
since
is the
I'm
cake.
the birthday girl, oh my god, look how handsome he looks. Look at that.
Kuha ka na another plate o or ilagay mo dyan sa gilid mo si
Okay, how should I just move it like this?
Then you wash it and then you can use it. So tanggalin natin si boyfriend niya.
What? It's dead.
Patay na yan?
Yeah, patay mo.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how am I supposed to cut this? I don't know how to cut a cake. Should I do it like this?
You do like this first.
Oh wow, you cut it for me. Thanks. Okay, think I'm gonna take this slice not too big today because I am full.
You're lying.
I am full. And then we can get this cake.
Oh, I didn't record.
Oi, I mean it. You did, right?
Now it's on.
Huh?
It's on now.
It's on now?
Yeah, man.
It's your guys' turn. I'm not cutting it for you.
Ilagay mo dyan, oh.
Cut, man. Cut.
How big do you want your slice to be?
Small. Small.
Yeah, I'm trying to take the hin back.
Small.
Ano,
This
ends,
one?
Small.
Ends.
Small.
Ends. Paki ano nga.
Di ka makuha ka man.
Ay.
Pasensya ka amat man. Gusto mo lagi mabuo lagi.
I just ruined it, Kuy.
Of course. Not surprised.
The cake! I got the perfect slice.
Saan?
Here you go.
Let's
Bon
see.
appetit.
Oh, tapos siya na?
Yeah. Can't believe you didn't point it.
It did.
Oh.
Slice mo si Ben.
Skaduhay!
I-slice mo pa, abe. I-slice mo.
I love slice bent. Bigo is chuka.
What?
Så.
Okay.
Yummy.
May hugom na ano ko.
Ano?
Blueberry may hugom.
Both.